How to boot Windows into safe mode from settings. This tutorial shows you how to start your PC with only essential drivers and services running for troubleshooting. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on System from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Recovery from the list of options. At this point, look for the section labeled Advanced Startup. In the next step, click on Restart Now next to that section. Following this, click on Restart Now anyway on the confirmation pop-up that appears. Once done, your PC will restart and boot into a blue recovery screen. From here, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. At this stage, click on Startup Settings from the list of tools. Following this, click on Restart to reboot your PC once more into the Startup Settings menu. Once completed, a numbered list of options will appear on your screen. Keep in mind, pressing 4 boots into standard safe mode, while pressing 5 boots into safe mode with networking if you also need internet access. Finally, press the number key matching your preferred safe mode option to restart your PC into it. And that's it. If this guide helped you boot Windows into safe mode from settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.